Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and connect to NordVPN using the Chrome extension. It's a quick way to secure your browser traffic without running the full desktop app. And quick reminder, if you don't already have NordVPN, check the description for a special deal. 73% off plus 3 free months, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. First, download the NordVPN Chrome extension either from NordVPN's website or directly from the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask if you want to add the extension. Just click Add Extension. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that NordVPN was added successfully. Once the installation is done, the NordVPN logo will appear in the top right toolbar of Chrome. Click it and log in with your Nord account credentials. If you're new, you can also sign up here. Now you're ready to connect. The quickest way is by clicking Quick Connect, which automatically picks the fastest server based on your location. Or you can use the search option to select a server in the country you want. Once connected, the extension will confirm by showing your status as protected. This means your browsing traffic is now encrypted. The extension also comes with customizable settings. And that's it. The NordVPN Chrome extension gives you quick, secure browsing in just a few clicks. If you'd like to try NordVPN, don't miss the 73% discount plus 3 free months using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.